Make it easier.
Well, I've been having okay luck, so that means I'll probably dive it in like a boat anchor.
Your choice.
Which way's the wind?
Left or right?
Right up over there. Alright, here we go. Got a little elevator in it.
You're gonna do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try.
Alright.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. That thing's really quiet when you don't give it no throttle. I mean, you know, half throttle or something like that. You don't give it no throttle, of course it's quiet. This is the Stinger 64 millimeter.
Is that the one you bought at the sale?
Yeah, got it at the sale. It was new in the box for $50. She don't really like wind, I can tell you. I mean, it's okay, don't get me wrong. It's so low profile and everything, it'll push through it, but when you're in your turns, it'll definitely rock its little stubby wings around. Alright, let's get us at least one fast pass in front of us. Yeah, give us a... Yeah. Oh, you can burst, it's fine. Let me know. Get ready. Be tracking it. Going up with that other jet over there. I didn't hear no burst, boy. Oh, it did? Whoa, it almost went in the ground.
Yeah, I almost had that one too.
Almost. I almost had a great photography. Oh yeah, the pickup bag. This is one of those where you quiet. It's one of those you just quietly walk away from it and say, "Yeah, I don't know whose plane that was," scattered all across the runway. All right, I think I'm going to land after this pass. Right here in front of you. That should have been some good pictures there.
From what I can tell in a little viewfinder.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why I don't know how the video is going to be yet.
Jim, we've been flirting with it all morning, landing every single plane with the wind.
Oh, you'll be fine. I told you.
That was a last minute recovery there. It was on its way with a wing drop.